As writers, one of our primary goals is to connect with our readers on an emotional level. When we can evoke strong feelings in our audience, whether it's joy, sadness, anger, or fear, we create a powerful bond that can keep them engaged with our writing long after they've finished reading. But how do we go about eliciting those emotional responses? Today, we'll explore 5 effective ways to tap into your readers' emotions and keep them hooked from beginning to end. Whether you're a novelist, a blogger, or a content marketer, these tips will help you create more impactful writing that resonates with your audience. 1. Use vivid and descriptive language. Use sensory details such as sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell to paint a vivid picture in the reader's mind. This helps the reader connect with the characters and the story on a more emotional level. 2. Create relatable characters. Make the characters in your story relatable by giving them human flaws and emotions. This helps the reader empathize with them and feel invested in their journey. 3. Use conflict and tension. Create conflict and tension in your story that keeps the reader engaged and emotionally invested. This can be in the form of external conflicts, such as a physical battle, or internal conflicts, such as a character struggle with their own emotions. 4. Use symbolism. Symbolism will create a deeper emotional impact. Symbolism can be in the form of objects, colors, or even certain words that represent larger themes or ideas. 5. Use pacing and timing. Pacing and timing will build suspense and create emotional impact. This can be in the form of a slow build-up to a climactic moment or a sudden change that takes the reader by surprise. In conclusion, eliciting an emotional response from readers is a powerful tool for writers to connect with their audience and create memorable experiences. By incorporating sensory details, evocative language, relatable characters, and a compelling storyline, writers can engage readers on a deeper level and leave a lasting impression. Whether it's through humor, sadness, or excitement, tapping into a reader's emotions is a crucial component of effective storytelling. By employing the 5 strategies outlined here, writers can enhance their ability to elicit emotional responses from their readers and create impactful writing that resonates long after the final page is turned. Well, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.